How to resize a frame with content in Figma. To show you this, I've prepared this image and our text here, which is going to be our content. So let's make this a frame by selecting all of it and right clicking and then clicking on frame selection. Now it's a frame, so when I try to resize it, you can see it only resizes this bit here without doing everything at once. And this can be quite frustrating. And a way around this is we can just select the frame and make sure the whole frame is selected with everything in it, all the content. And now we can click on K on our keyboard, which is gonna be our scale tool. As you can see, K is the shortcut for it on the keyboard. And now this arrow will show it looks like this when you hover over one of the corners, and when you do that, when you drag it out, it resizes the image with all the content inside. And that's how you resize a frame with content in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.